Hello everyone, before we start this video, I want to give away a bunch of code cards that I have. Just a bunch of Shining Fates, and I think a Brilliant Stars. A couple Pikachu V collections. There you go, those are all of the code cards I have so far. Today, we are doing another Pokemon card opening video. We have 8 packs in total. 1 Brilliant Stars and 3 Evolving Skies blister packs. Now, I said 8, so what's the other 4 coming from? It's coming from this Shining Fates Pikachu V collection box. So we are going to be opening up all of these packs today. Hopefully with this Shining Fates, we could get another shiny Charizard VMAX. I was not able to record this. I'm so sorry. Anyway, I'm here with my brother, Edison, and he is going to be opening up about half of these. So let's start out with Evolving Skies, or just these blisters. Which ones do you want to open up? Which 2? Alright, he's going to open up Brilliant Stars and this Sylveon pack art. I'm just going to start out with my Rayquaza right here. So we're just going to open it like that. If you're able to pick up some Evolving Skies, make sure that you keep them sealed. And you might be wondering, why are you opening them then? That's because this is my first time opening Evolving Skies ever. And hopefully we can get that Umbreon alt art. Okay, I'll show that card later. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, I think we got something on this first pack. I might have felt the texture.
I saw something.
C-Dot, Lillipup, Bagon, Litleo, Lotad, Energy, Spirit Mask. Oh, this could be a trainer card. Okay, this might be it. Okay, this is, can we get the...
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
God.
You're joking. We got the Espeon Max. It's like one of the rare cards. First pack magic. First pack magic. Am I right? Let me just put this in the sleeve. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. So this is the card that we got, the Espeon VMAX. And oh my goodness, this is a pretty cool card, isn't it? Okay, I just want to do something real quick.
Yeah.
I promise I'm not gonna I'm gonna open it up for him, but I'm not going to like. Alright, just gonna put this over here. Take the cards. Just do 4 to the front.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep, make sure that it's all lined up.
Oh shoot. Energy.
Toy catcher.
What the? Rihan. Vigorous. Zora. Psyduck. Mufflet. Drowsy.
Flabébé.
Lowtoad.
And a regular rare. What is that? Now it's time to open up my other Evolving Skies. Hopefully we can get that Umbreon full art. Ooh.
Almost 5 days.
Just checking out the quality. It's got a couple white spots. Hopefully it is not a VMAX for the Espeon. Lillipup, Bagon, Litleo, Lotad, Teddiursa, Energy.
What?
think we got another card. or I'm not sure. Floette or whatever. Boost Shake, Shelgon, and Diagla. Hollow, not bad. So we got one Hollow, one Espeon, and a Gigalich. Regular rare. Let me get the thing over there. Here is the code card for that. And the code card for the previous pack. I forgot to show that. And it's Ed's turn to open up the Brilliant Stars. You want me to help you do this thing?
Yes, please.
Uh-oh, cards are spilling everywhere.
Oh no. Oh no.
Do you need help? Alright, so I'm just gonna open it on camera real quick. You do have a chance to get a V-Star card. Hopefully we can get that Charizard Rainbow Rare or that Charizard V-Star alternate art. 2, 3, 4 to the front. Alright. There you go. They changed up the energies in this set.
Looks like a black hole. Alright, energy.
Make sure that you like hold it like I do, like that. There.
Claydol. Trainer.
You can also get trainer, really rare trainer cards, which look really cool.
Piplup. Turtwing.
Mikino, I think. Carablast.
Buzzle.
Okay, and a Garchomp holographic, not bad. So we got 2 hollows, a VMAX, and a regular rare out of 4 packs. That is actually really, really good ratio. Here is the code card for that. And now we have 4 more packs to open. Let's just, got this, which I'm excited to open. Excuse me, 1 sec. I just need to move all these cards out of the way. So far that the hits that we've gotten are both holographic dragon types, which is really cool. And we have the Psychic, which rip, very. I wonder if they're gonna remove Dragon for their next, removal of a style. Now we are going to open up the Pikachu V Shining Fates box. Rip into it. Just like this. If you can find Shining Fates, I suggest keeping it sealed for another couple years or so before it builds value and then selling it. Open this up ever so gingerly so we don't ruin the oversized card. There's the giant Pikachu, not the fat Pikachu in that though. So we have 4 Shining Fates, almost one of each. No Charizard, but that's okay. Pikachu. Let me sleeve this guy up real quick. I have 3 of these now. And which ones do you want to open up, Ed? Alright, Corviknight and Toxtricity. Corviknight and Toxtricity. I'll open up Dragapult and the other Toxtricity. How about this, Ed? You want to start out?
Yeah.
Alright, which one do you want to open up first? Toxtricity or...
Yeah, Toxtricity.
Alright. Remember, you can also get regular, just shinies. You can get full art shinies. You can get a lot of stuff from these. These are pretty cool. Oh, gosh. Oh, yes. Okay. Here we go. Just gonna open this like this.
I like the new Max pops up.
Show that card later. Do 4 to the front.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There we go. A little bit fast. Alright, let's see if we can get that.
Wacky. Rusted Shield. Rodham. Nickit.
Acne.
Tufant.
Eevee. User.
Oh my god! Yeah!
That might be the hit for the box. Hopefully it's not. But we got a shiny Sobble and a Crobat V Max. So I'm just gonna sleeve both of these up real quick. My brother's gonna sleeve up the other one. I'm gonna open up my Toxtricity just to see if I could get the shiny Toxtricity there. Or another one of those shiny Charizards. That was a tough pack to open. Oh, by the way, here is the code for the last...
It was right here, wasn't it?
This one. Here's the code for the last pack that we did. And here's the code for the pack that we are doing currently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nickit, Horsey, Snom, Morpeko, Cacnea, Energy, Dartrix, Rusted Shield. This might be the shiny. Oh, Team Yellow, this is the shiny. Okay, Trapinch, regular rare. And Boss's Orders, regular rare as well. Okay, so we got one regular rare. That's fine.
Only 2 more.
Okay. Nice. White code, it always is. Here's the code for that. Energy. We have something. Okay.
Oh my god, I just
That
saw
might be a full art shiny. That might be a full art shiny. Eldergloss. Dartrix. Spinarak. Grookey. Snom. Eevee.
Oh, I see that.
Morpeko. Ooh! Double V shiny. 2 shinies, 1 V Max. This is nice. Oh ho ho.
We're getting a lot of good stuff.
We are getting lucky with this. Now, I'm guessing that we won't get anything out of the next pack, but if we do, our luck will be insane with that. We've gotten 1 reverse holo out of this whole thing. It's crazy. Here you are, boys. We've put in the Charizard to give us luck. Ooga chaka, ooga chaka. Alright, let's open this up. Hopefully we can get... This is a difficult pack to open.
Just imagine we get a VMAX when we just first look at it.
Okay.
Just flip it. I got time.
That's the code card for y'all.
1-minute video. Wow. This one's actually a long video.
Can we get another ultra rare? Morpeko. Horsey, Spinarak, Rowlet, Morpeko again, Energy, Rusted Sword, Eldergloss, Dartrix. Let's go another. Oh, let's go another shiny. 3 shinies in 1 booster or one of these Pikachu V collections. Okay.
Pikachu made us proud.
So, in total, this is what we got in terms of cards. We got 2 regular shinies, Frostmoth and Sobble. We got 1 full art shiny, Double V, probably the easiest one to pull. We got a Crobat V Max, a Espeon V Max, Pikachu V promo, Garchomp holographic, and a Dialga, I think, holographic as well. Now, that I think is pretty good for 8 booster packs. That takes up... Oh my goodness, this is 8 ultra rares. That is almost 1 per pack. Wow. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe so that I can pay for more Pokemon cards. Bye.